Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about the Colourpop x Kathleenlights Dream Street Dream Team Eyeshadow and Liquid Lip Trios. I was very excited when I did order these because I knew I wanted them. I love Kathleenlights and I love all the collabs she's done with Colourpop. This is just the one that I've been most interested in. If you did see in the haul, I did get like other lippy sticks. I also got the Laura Lee Los Angeles quad. I will be using this in a different tutorial, but today I really wanted to focus on the Kathleenlights because that palette has a lot of amazing colors in it. I really just want to focus on this because it's beautiful. So yeah, if you want to see these eyeshadows and liquid lipsticks in action, then please keep on watching. Okay, so since our main focus for today will be on the Dream Street and the Dream Team little sets, this is basically all we're going to use. First off, let's just talk about how cute this packaging is. I love how it matches. I love, it looks like kind of galaxy with the stars and the moon, but I love marble. Marble to me is just amazing, and I absolutely love this packaging. I own a couple of the Colourpop palettes. I think I own 2 or 3, I think 2. And this will be my 3rd one, and I'm just so excited. I love the packaging on the palette overall. I love how it still has the same packaging as the box, how it still has that pretty rose gold marbling. I love rose gold, and then you open it up. It's typical Colourpop palette packaging. It says Dream Street with Kathleenlights name and then all of these beautiful shadows. So this is the palette right here, close up. It's phenomenal. I seriously just can't get over how beautiful this palette really is. It's a little different honestly because she did throw the cool tones with like the blues in there, but she also has warm tone shades. So it is different, and she has the typical like bronzy shades, really nice transition shade. And then even, I think that's either a matte or a satin. So I'm very excited to use this. I have no idea what I want to do yet. Okay, so I just primed my eyelids using my Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer. I don't really expect these eyeshadows to be crap or anything terrible because I've had a really good experience with my other Colourpop eyeshadow palettes. So I'm going to start off with the shade, I believe this is the shade Elfish. And I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and set my eyelid. So like I did say, I really still have like no idea what I want to do. So I'm actually just going to start off with this brown shade right here, which I think is called Twinkle. And taking a BH Cosmetics brush, this is the number 4 brush, I'm going to start blending this in my crease. I did not put tape on today. I normally always do tape, but I was like, hey, let's not do tape today and just kind of see what happens. I'm going to blend this into the crease. It's blending nicely and I do like the shade. And then after that, I'm going to take this shade right here. This is called Water Barrier. And on a little bit of a more defined brush, I'm going to put this on our outer V and just a tad in the crease. This one has a little bit of kick up, but not too bad. Oh, that's a pretty shade. So far so good. Everything seems to be blending together really nicely. I'm not having any choppiness or anything weird that the eyeshadows shouldn't be doing. So I think what I want to do is focus on maybe using like these reds and then put like this real pretty like silvery duochrome shade on the lid. I'm gonna put like this more vibrant red shade. This is called Sweet Dreams. It's a lot brighter than the shade we just used, which is called Water Barrier. So I'm just going to again put that on the outer V. That literally reminds me of the liquid lipstick that she made. Rivrier. I don't know how you say that. Rivrier. This is, it honestly reminds me of a kind of like a strawberry shade. I'm actually going today to get my passport photo taken, so this is going to be an interesting makeup look I'll have for the next 10 years of my life on that photo. And I'm just going to go in with that first brush we used and blend out these shades again. And then back in with the Waterbender shade. I'm just going to add a little bit more into the crease. And then we're going to go back in with the more red shade. So this duochrome shade I want to use is called Mermaid Boy. And it literally, like, oh my god, that's so beautiful. I don't know. It's supposed to be like kind of silver, but maybe like hints of, I don't know, brown or blue or something. It's really pretty. It's unique. So I have no Fix Plus on my brush or anything. No like eyeshadow glue on. I'm going to take this Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. I did feel a little bit of fallout though, but wow. Holy smokes. My brush isn't even wet, like I can't even. So now I'm gonna go back in and just kind of blend out that crease a little. I'm actually going to try wetting my brush this time. So I'm just taking the Canvas Cosmetics setting spray. I'm just going to spray my brush with this, and let's see, this makes a difference. I feel like it will help it kind of stick down. I definitely have fallout though. I can feel it every time that I press on my eye. The shade's pretty, but I honestly feel like you need a glitter glue or something with it. I feel like it kind of falls away. I just need to wipe the fallout away now. Okay, so I think I'm going to stop here for the top part of the eyes. I'm going to finish up the rest of my face makeup, and then I will come back to do the lower lash line and do the lip color. Okay, so we are back. I cream contoured today, which I never do, and I don't know how I feel about it. I think I like it. I just feel like it looks so much different than actually using like a bronzing powder. It just looks different, so it takes me a while to get used to it. But I am just going to finish up the lower lash line, and we will do a mascara and our lip product. So I'm not going to do too much to the lower lash line. I'm actually just going to take the shade Water Barrier, which is that more maroon shade, on a flat definer brush and push this up against my lower lash line. And I'm going to take a mix of Sweet Dreams, I believe is what that one was called, and Twinkle, and buff that out. And then I'm just going to highlight our inner corner and brow bone with the same shade that we set our eye primer with. This is a little bit more of a satin shade. And then now I'm going to apply some of my Essence Lash Princess Mascara. Okay, so last thing is basically a lip color, and I don't really know what lip color to wear. Something's telling me to wear this. But that's a little bold. I don't really know if I feel like that today. Like I did say, I'm getting my picture taken. So I'm feeling maybe like this glossy lip. I don't know how pigmented it is. Let's swatch it. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. That has the pigmentation of like a satin liquid lip. Okay, so we're going to do the glossy lip. This is in Moonchild. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm not normally like a glossy person, but these are really comfortable. I don't really like glosses that when you go like this, you can feel it stick, and these don't have that sticky feeling. It honestly feels like they're ultra satin formula, which I really like. So this gloss gets 2 thumbs up. I really like this eyeshadow look also. It's different with that kind of glittery shade. I would recommend though, if you do use that glittery shade, to probably use a glitter glue. It would probably adhere better to your eye, less fallout, and probably more pigmentation. But other than that, it's really pretty. This is like really comfortable, and the shade of like gloss is so natural. But this is the finished look. I hope you guys do enjoy today's video. Like I said, I would snag both of these products up really quick because they're honestly great products. I cannot wait to wear this for the spring and summer. It's going to be beautiful. But yeah, I would definitely snag these up before they go away. I don't know if they're limited edition. I don't know if they're here to stay. But keep an eye out on Colourpop's website. They normally will do like restocks and all that. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.